Hello dear friends and welcome back to NMS Flavors, and today we're gonna make a Ponderosa lemon pickle. Pickles are an integral part of our Indian cuisine for almost all our meals, especially for the lunch. So today we're gonna make the simplest and the quickest Ponderosa lemon. It's a hybrid lemon, a big size lemon, right? So let's see the ingredients that we require for that. So we have taken the giant lemon, peeled it and made it into this shape, and we have added 1 teaspoon of salt into that, and we have set it aside for rest for 10 minutes. So first and foremost, it's garlic. I have taken 20 garlic pods, a small piece of ginger, cleaned, washed and made it into slits. Here I have taken 6 green chilies. Now you can increase or reduce as per your taste, roughly chopped. 2 strands of fresh curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a generous pinch of asafoetida, you can use any brand, 3 tablespoons of sunflower cooking oil, and of course salt to taste. So let's start our making of the pickle. So I'm taking 3 tablespoons of refined sunflower oil. Our oil is heated up. Next goes the asafoetida. Then comes the fenugreek. Let it splutter. Then I'm adding mustard seed. It's crackling. There goes the green chilies. Fresh and crunchy and spicy green chili. A lovely aroma is coming. After tossing it for a few minutes, now we're gonna add the garlic pods. Keep tossing it so that it gets nicely roasted evenly. Now I'm adding ginger. Again toss it evenly. Generally our Indian pickles are fiery red or it will be yellow in color, but this particular pickle that we are making is white in color, a white pickle. If you want, you can just add a dash of turmeric into that. That will give you a little yellowish tinge in your pickle. I'm going to make it as off-white as possible, so I'm not adding turmeric. So it's optional, friends. If you want to add turmeric, you can add a dash of turmeric powder into that. So our roasting period is over for these seasoning, and now finally we are adding these giant lemons. Lemon is a citrus one. As we all know, it will definitely have some water content in it. That's why that sound is coming. At this stage, now I am adding half a cup of lukewarm water into this. Once again toss it. Now we'll cover it with the lid and keep it on 130, a very low flame, and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. It's nicely boiling, and let's toss it. Perfect. It's cooked and it is done. Our Ponderosa pickle, instant pickle, is ready. Now we need to cool it down. Maybe for 8 to 10 hours we can just leave it covered on our platform, and then tomorrow when it's completely cooled down we can transfer this pickle into a glass jar and refrigerate it, and we can enjoy the delicious pickle. So please do try it out, because anybody can make this. It's not at all rocket science. It's not at all an extensive cooking. Very simple and yet yummy pickle will be, homemade pickle will be ready for you. If you are trying it out, please write to me in the comment section. Remember to like, share and subscribe my video. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 5 p.m. new videos will be uploaded only for you. So do remember to check it out. It's me Stuti signing off from my channel NMS Flavors. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.